The position x of an object is given as a function of time t by the equation x equal to 8 plus 4t minus 6t cubed, where x is in meters and t is in seconds. What is the maximum possible velocity obtained by this object? You should pause now and try to get the answer on your own. The derivative of position is going to be the velocity. Therefore, the velocity in terms of time is going to be 4 minus 18t squared. Derive again, and you will get the acceleration, which is negative 36t. The maximum possible velocity is associated with the fact that the acceleration be 0. And the acceleration is 0 only if time is 0. At time t equals 0, you get a velocity of 4 meters per second. So your answer is option A. Thank you for watching. See you next time.